Similarities between nano and microneedling. Both the nano and microneedling treatment use a pen-like device that oscillates a tip up and down to stimulate a skin reaction. They both induce cell turnover, serum infusion, and provoke the healing process that results in skin transformation. 1.5 and 2 mm needle depth to reach deep dermis scar, 0.25 to 1 mm needle depth to reach epidermis, papillaris dermis, fine line pores. Nanoneedling increased product penetration by 97%, painless and no downtime. Using the pigment portion of the BB glue, only work on the surface of the stratum corneum. Most superficial of all needling may be performed often, once a week. First step, clean your face and your neck, then apply the serum. Choose the nano square tip. The cartridge encompasses 81 silicone tips. These microscopic hair-like cones separate the cell within the epidermis to allow active product to be pushed into the skin. Nanoneedling affects the epidermis, treating within the upper 0.25 mm of the skin. Set your Dr.Pen at 2.5 and nanoneedle for 5 minutes. Process with small circular movement on the entire face. After nanoneedling for 5 minutes, take a break and add your favorite cream. Nanoneedling will increase product penetration by 97%. After applying the cream, massage until it's fully absorbed. Add another layer of cream and set your Dr.Pen at 1.5. Nanoneedle for 3 minutes. Choose a quality moisturizing mask, wear it for 20 minutes. This is the D2 Bottle Kit, available at vianacare.com. You can see my skin, left and right side, before my first microneedling session. Few days ago, trying the D2 Bubble Foam Mask from Mary Kit. After my first microneedling session, 12 needles, 0.5 during 5 minutes, the foam increased, gain in volume while you're wearing it. This kit is a gentle chemical exfoliator. Day 1 after nanoneedling. The benefits include pigmentation reduction, increased cell turnover, skin rejuvenation, and an immediate glow with no downtime. This treatment can be done in a weekly series of once a week for 6 weeks. Both procedures have the ability to transform the look and the feel of your skin. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for see my next DIY beauty session.